Illuminating spaces, the brilliance of outdoor lighting. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we will dive into the illuminating world of outdoor lighting. Whether it's lighting up a porch or adding a sparkle to a garden, outdoor lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the beauty and safety of our outdoor spaces. So, let's shed some light on this bright topic. Outdoor lighting refers to any type of light source that is used outside buildings or in open spaces. It's not just about making areas visible at night. It's also about safety, security, and aesthetics. From solar-powered garden lights to motion-activated security lights, outdoor lighting comes in various forms to serve different purposes. In this section, we explore the different types of outdoor lighting. 1. Ambient lighting. This is all about creating a soft, general light for your outdoor space. Think of wall lanterns or post lights that provide a gentle glow. 2. Task lighting. This is more focused and is used for specific purposes like lighting up a pathway or steps. These are your spotlights or pathway lights. 3. Accent lighting. Used to highlight specific features of a garden or architecture, like a sculpture or a beautiful tree. Spotlights and floodlights can be used for this purpose. Choosing the right outdoor lighting involves considering purpose, whether it's for security, functionality, or enhancing beauty. Style, the design of the light should complement your outdoor space. Energy efficiency. Options like LED lights or solar-powered lights can save energy and reduce costs. Durability. Outdoor lights should be able to withstand weather conditions like rain, snow, or extreme temperatures. When installing outdoor lighting, safety comes first. Here are some tips. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Use lights that are rated for outdoor use. Consider hiring a professional electrician for complex installations. Ensure all lights are securely installed and wires are safely hidden or covered. That's a wrap on our journey through the world of outdoor lighting. Remember, the right outdoor lighting can transform your outdoor space into a secure, functional, and enchanting area. We hope this video lights up your understanding and sparks some bright ideas for your outdoor spaces. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.